Web analytics is the cornerstone of effective digital marketing strategies. It involves the collection, measurement, and analysis of data related to website and online user behavior. This process enables marketers to make informed decisions, optimize campaigns, and maximize ROI. One key aspect of web analytics is tracking website traffic. Marketers use tools like Google Analytics to monitor the number of visitors, their demographics, and the sources that led them to the site. Understanding this data helps tailor marketing efforts to target the right audience. Conversion tracking is another critical component. It allows marketers to trace specific actions taken by users, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. By analyzing conversion rates, marketers can identify weak points in the sales funnel and implement improvements. Furthermore, web analytics aids in assessing the performance of marketing channels. Marketers can determine which platforms, such as social media, email marketing, or pay-per-click advertising, are generating the most valuable traffic and adjust their strategies accordingly. In summary, web analytics empowers digital marketers with valuable insights into user behavior, campaign effectiveness, and website performance. It enables data-driven decision-making, ensuring that marketing efforts are efficient and results-driven in the ever-evolving landscape of the digital world.